Hey guys, what's up? So thanks for coming back. This is going to be day 2 of the e-fuel install. We're going to finish up some of the lines, but we're actually going to take back out some of the lines that we installed yesterday, and we're going to install a HPOP crossover kit. Okay, so we got this kit. Well, we bought it from the guys over at Complete Performance, CP Edits. And the kit's actually made by, I believe, CNC Performance or Fab. We'll see when we open it, but it's one of the better looking kits, and it's pretty well priced. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what's in there. Okay, so I got this thing open, and let's see what's in there. Oh, look at that. We got a koozie. Nice. Put that off to the side. Some more wrapping paper, and this is basically what it is. So what these are, so what these are 3 lines that are gonna connect your heads. So you have 2 lines, they go from your HPOP to each head, and then you're gonna have 1 line that's gonna connect both of the heads. And what this does is it pretty much equalizes, or it's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, equalizes the pressure between the heads, which they don't advertise any performance gains from these things. Basically, what they say is that it's gonna make your truck idle smoother, run smoother. It won't have so many pressure hikes. And I'll leave a link down in the description to this kit. But basically, it's just gonna help your truck run better and sound idle a little smoother. And let me get up here. So basically, the reason why I want to install this before I finish up all of the lines is so that I'm not messing with the lines after they're installed. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna take our lines back out. Probably should move them out the way a little bit. Install our new HPOP lines and move on with the e-fuel kit. So yeah, like I said, I don't think it should be anything too hard or too out of this world. I'm gonna throw you guys on a time lapse, and we'll get this done. Money. Okay guys, so we got these lines in, and let me tell you what, they look freaking good. Like, I really like the way they look. The quality and everything to them, the feel is amazing, and they look just killer. The quality, I think it's better than the OEM. The OEM were braided too, but these just feel really nice. And that, along with the e-fuel lines, is making the engine look really good. Like, I mean, it's still greasy and dirty and nasty and stuff, but anyways, it is helping it look better. But let me show you a few things that I did, because there's some lines that go where some other lines went, and you got to use some new plugs that you weren't using before, some new ports. But anyways, let me show you what I did, and then we'll move on to the e-fuel lines. Okay, so that's basically how they're gonna look. This is your passenger side, your driver's side. Your crossover is that straight one that goes obviously from one head to the other head. That's the whole point to this kit, that one line. And basically what you gotta do is you gotta use that port right there is gonna be your 3rd plug. You gotta take that plug out and put in the fittings, and that one run across to this line to this side. And on this side, you're gonna move your HPOP line 1 port back and install it right there. And you gotta loop it around your lifting eye bolt. You gotta loop it around there, go under your harness, and go straight down to where your HPOP would be. Mine's still not there because I haven't installed it yet, but that's where it's gonna go. Your driver's side is basically gonna be in the same spot, with the exception of instead of having that 45, or instead of having that 90 that I had right there, it just shoots straight up, and it's gonna go straight up. If you had a fuel bowl, it would go right over that, and it's gonna go straight down into your HPOP. And that's basically it. Like I said, I mean, I think it makes the engine look really good. But anyways, we got this done. Now we're gonna put our fuel lines back in, and hopefully move on to the rest of the kit. So now we got the whole regulator set up already, and this is basically how it goes. So with that facing kind of like the front of the engine, the driver's side is going to take the 90. All these have O-rings going into the regulator. So driver's side, 90 going straight down. This bottom one, again, it's an O-ring, straight going down. That's going to be for your return. And on the passenger side, you're going to have another straight O-ring on the regulator going to your line, going to your passenger side fuel line. Now on the engine, we've got your longer line that has a little bit more bend on it. It's gonna go on your passenger side, going straight down to that 45, and you're gonna route it up and over. Same with your shorter line, the 15-degree bend. So basically, like the smaller bend is gonna go straight down, and then the 30-degree bend will go kind of in towards the regulator. So now all we gotta do is throw this in between all that, and we'll pretty much be done for tonight. Okay guys, so we're done with the whole top side of the engine, and it wasn't that bad, at least not installing all of the lines. So yeah, like I said, basically everything's put back together. The only thing I gotta do is just tie in everything, which according to their instructions is 2.5 wrench turns past finger tight. So I'll do that off camera because I'm pretty sure you don't want to see any of that. But yeah, let me show you the regulator, the lines, how they route everything, how they look. So from the back, you've already seen those. Driver's side, passenger, they come straight back over into this T-fitting. That is right there. That's where they join. This is where they're gonna get fed. So your feed line from the pump is gonna connect to there. Now from there, obviously the fuel is gonna go through your engine, through your head, come out up both sides, right there, into your regulator. Now the regulator, up top here is where you regulate the pressure, how much you want to set it to. And then down below, right there, that's where your return is gonna go. So you're gonna go from there, it's got a 90, and you can attach your hose from there, and it's gonna go straight down. So now, like I said, everything's put back together. All I gotta do is just tie in everything, and then the next step is gonna be installing the pump and running the lines. So pretty much, that was it for this video. I really appreciate you guys watching, all the support that you've been giving me lately. The last video that I did, the part 1 of this install, you guys seem to really like it. They got a bunch of views, bunch of likes. Hopefully you like this part as good. Again, we got the HPOP crossover lines installed. We got all of our power lines for the e-fuel system kit installed. And this wasn't as bad as the first step, taking everything apart and putting all those fittings. This actually was much easier. But yeah, like I said, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Again, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and if you liked it, and we'll see you for the next one. Hopefully the next video will be it. If not, it'll be the other one and one more, but I'm hoping to get it done within the next video. So anyways, again, smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you for the next one.